Hey, welcome to the TC. My name's David, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your Apple Watch, as well as polish the composite back on the Apple Watch. So, let's see how to do it. So all you're going to need to clean your Apple Watch is pretty simple. You're just going to need a microfiber cloth, some alcohol in the bottle, and a Q-tip. So the first thing that I like to do is to get your alcohol and just spray down the Apple Watch. I'm just going to let it sit there for a little second just so that I can clean off any surface dirt. Then you're going to want to take your microfiber cloth and just wipe it down. Now that that's clean, we're going to switch around to the other side. You're going to do the same thing. Then we can wipe it down. Now we can focus more carefully by using our Q-tip. So what you're going to do is go ahead and spray it again. And then, usually dirt builds up here from sweat. So what we can do is use the Q-tip to clean around those edges. Here's a closer look. So you can just keep doing this until you get all the dirt out. Also, you can go ahead and move on to the sides and clean around the buttons and the digital crown. I know sometimes people get the digital crown stuck. Personally, I haven't, but if you do, I do know that running it over water and while spinning it also takes out any dirt. Make sure you also get into the speaker grills and microphone. Finally, you're also going to want to get into the grooves on the side here. Also, a top tip, it helps when you have the Apple Watch off so that the screen doesn't turn on while you're trying to clean it. Finally, you're going to go ahead and want to give it one last wipe down. And that's it. You can see that the Apple Watch is a lot cleaner now, and there's no more dirt and grime on it. But we still have one more thing to take care of. So if you have an Apple Watch Sport, you'll know that they come in composite backs, except if you have an LTE model. So you know that they scratch pretty easily. Over time, your skin and hairs on your skin will scratch the composite backs, making it look like it has a faded appearance. So for example, I can show you this one here, which I haven't polished yet. You can see all the micro scratches on it. And then this one, which I polished about a month ago, it's a lot smoother. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can polish the scratches out of your composite back and hopefully help those sensors out. I do want to point out one thing though. If you do own an Apple Watch and it's not one of these aluminum models, you might have the stainless steel or an edition model or ceramic. They won't come with a composite back, so you won't have to worry about it hazing. They actually have ceramic backs. This also applies to any of the aluminum models that are cellular. Also, if you have a Series 4 or higher, they all come with a ceramic back, so this won't apply for those. Just the Series 0, 1, 2, and 3 that are non-LTE will have the composite back. Now that we're going to go ahead and polish out the micro scratches on the composite back, all you're going to need is two of these. It's just a cotton pad, and then also another cotton pad, but this is going to be for the later portion. Also, you're going to need a compound and a polish. So actually, I'm just using car compound and polish. I wouldn't recommend doing this all the time since it actually takes a layer off, but if you're just trying to get those micro scratches out, doing it once or twice in a year, it should be fine. So you're going to want to head and shake up those bottles. Next, take your compound and put around a dime-sized portion onto your cotton pad. Just like this. Now that we have that portion, we can go ahead and put it onto the composite back on our Apple Watch. Next, you're going to want to flip over the cotton pad and basically polish that in. So do circular motions onto the back of the Apple Watch composite back. I would do this until I'm satisfied with the way it's coming out. Inspecting it, it's very hard to tell if I'm actually doing anything, but after we go ahead and clean this off, you'll be able to see how much of a difference that it's made. So when you go to clean it off, we're just going to use alcohol again. So we can go ahead and spray it. And then this is where this portion of the cotton pad comes in. We're just going to use this one for cleaning off. Now that we've cleaned it off, there's some dust on here. So then we can go clean it off using our microfiber towel. Already we can see a difference that it's made, but it's not quite there. So we're going to use the polish now to refine our compound. So go ahead and do the same thing that we did using the compound. So we're going to take our cotton pad and we're going to put a dime-sized portion onto it. Then we're going to go ahead and put it onto the composite back of our Apple Watch. Now that we have it on the back, we can go ahead and fold our cotton pad again and polish it into our composite back. This polish should refine the finish that we have on our composite back and give it a deeper black color. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and clean off the composite back now. So spray it again with the alcohol and clean it off using our cotton pad. Then we can go ahead and clean it off using our microfiber towel. Taking a look at it again, we can see that a lot of those micro scratches are now gone. There is still some scratching, but those are too deep for the compound and polish to take care of by hand. Overall, we did achieve a deeper black color on our sensor, and we did take off a lot of the hazing that was on it. So I do think that this was a pretty good success. Now, if you have any dirt or anything else onto your Apple Watch, you can go ahead and follow the cleaning I showed in the first part of the video, take off any excess of the compound or polish. But overall, that's it. That's all you need to know for cleaning your Apple Watch. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked what you saw, please remember to like and subscribe to see more content just like this. Thanks for watching!